Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RBIZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As I talked about in yesterday's video, it's really kind of just a matter of perspective, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought somewhere up around here, or maybe you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 20 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of it all, then everything is still perfectly fine. Yeah, the price is pulled back. But when you look at where the lows have been, the price is holding right where you would want to see it hold. And this means probably a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But I've talked about this green line quite a bit as a level of support. And you look at today's price movement, you can see right there actually bounced right off it. Several other portions of the day, the price got right around that area. But the point here is that that area continues to hold. And just kind of projecting out a future potential scenario, if the price does come down there and continues to hold above that area and then eventually works its way back upwards, as I've shown in past videos, well, what do you have in this situation? You'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows right here. You'd also have some other lows that are even lower. If you envision these as stair steps, well, then the overall stair steps are still very clearly going in the upwards direction. Yes, I'm well aware that if you're a flipper and you bought right there, then you don't care about these stair steps. But so that's why I've tried to disclose things that I'm certainly making these comments from more so a big picture point of view. So yeah, the price has pulled back the past couple of days, but actually let me do this just to give a little bit more perspective. So yeah, the price is pulled back, but when you just kind of consider where the lows have been, so you had this set of lows, then you had that set of lows, and you had that set, then you had this set, and so far so good with 0056 holding, and then you picture these as those stair steps, things become very apparent. So if you're a big picture, if you care about more so the overall viewpoint of things, then yeah, the chart is still perfectly fine. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.